Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. As always, thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. 17 GT came in, only 3,000 original miles, and we installed the Gen 5, the Gen 5 Whipple. So you might have been seeing these pop up, you've been seeing them on our GT350s, but this just received the Gen 5 Whipple. It's the Stage 1 kit. So most of our videos, you might see the Stage 2. So I'm pretty excited to dyno the Stage 1, tell you about the other mods we did, and hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Let's go check this bad boy out. All right, here's what we have going on. I have Doug with me today. We're gonna check out the engine compartment. But this is pretty interesting. So I have a 15 GT and I have this Gen 3 Whipple Supercharger. And I started off with the Stage 2 kit. My car made 658, I think, real horsepower, about 483 torque, just with the basic Whipple calibration, the basic Stage 2 kit, no smaller pulley or anything like that. 93 octane like this car, manual transmission like this car. We're gonna make a dyno pull here in a minute. Look at the Gen 5. So we have the Gen 5 Supercharger, but it's Stage 1. You have this adapter right here that retains a stock throttle body. I'm running the 132. So if you bought this as a Stage 2, you get the 132. Look how this necks down. Very small inlet pipe on the Stage 1. So the Stage 2 upgrade is gonna be really great because you have a larger inlet pipe going in the big 132 throttle body. When this car came in, we did all our normal cooling mods. So our alloy radiator, you got the cooler thermostat, rear cylinder cooling kit, billet oil pump gears. Besides that, the car is pretty stock. Drives great. I went out and drove it. It's not very loud. It's running factory exhaust. We're gonna make a dyno pull here and see what it makes. But it's a Stage 1 kit with the Gen 5. So these are pretty new. You've been watching the GT350 videos, checking them out on those. So watch this dyno pull, let's see what it makes. We'll compare it to maybe what my car made. I hope it doesn't make more than what my Gen 3 made as a Stage 2. I don't know, we'll see. But check this out. All right, before I go over these numbers, I want to tell you this real quick. A couple things. I'm going to put a link at the end of the video to where you can see my 15 Mustang I was talking about earlier. We have the Gen 3, where it made about, I think, 650 to 660. And I did smaller pulleys to get the power up and up and up. You're going to see that video. But here's where we came out with the Gen 5, 638 real horsepower on our DynoJet rated SAE. Torque came in at 501. Now, I'm very happy with that because that is really only about 20 less than my car. And I had the Stage 2 kit with the old Gen 3 and it was running a little smaller pulley right out of the box. When you watch that video, you'll see this. Then what this kit runs right now, this kit comes with a 4-inch pulley and these numbers are really good considering, you know, you're talking 200, 250 more real horsepower in your car from the factory. It's a Stage 1 kit. Really, really good. I'm gonna leave links in the description where you can click on it, read more about it, as well as email quote@brenspeed.com to find out how much that costs to get installed on your car. So, a little bit jealous. I have the Gen 3. So I think this is really good for the Stage 1 kit on the Gen 5. And I think there's gonna be a lot of power to be found, increasing boost on this kit right here. But hey, I'm stuck with the old Gen 3, whatever. Still makes good power, but the Gen 5 pretty much is where it's at right now. And then they say that as you turn boost up, you start running alternative fuels like 85, return style fuel system, the Gen 5's really gonna shine. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have a question, leave a comment, happy to answer. Again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment, appreciate it.